ROMI UK have got an increased market share in the injection moulding machine market, and we've travelled to Suscombe today to find out why ROMI was their machine of choice. Tino, we're here at Suscombe Industries. Can you tell me about your company?
Yeah, we are a family-run business that do office furniture components. We also do furniture components, but predominantly we concentrate on the office sector. We work with a variety of suppliers that make products for ourselves. Some are standard, some aren't. We took a big leap of faith going back into manufacturing, which is something that we've done before, just insofar as it's something for the future for us in terms of global climates are very volatile, to say the least. So for us, this made a lot of sense.
Sure, reshoring, that's great news for the UK. And we've been invited here by ROMI Machines. Why did you select ROMI Machines for this project?
ROMI we've spoke to for a long time, and obviously we know that they're a very reputable company. I'm sure they're the largest CNC manufacturer as well in the world. But I'll be honest with you, in terms of a complete solution, Neil, one of the sales guys that they have there, was very, very productive in terms of putting together a package, because the solution that we wanted was very specific, it was highly automated, and to be fair to Neil made our life very easy.
So they didn't just supply machine tool, they supplied the Kawasaki robots and the rest of the automation cell?
Yeah, from our point of view, I don't know enough about plastics to do the installation and everything myself. We had a vision in terms of what we wanted, so we spoke to Neil about what that specifically was, and he brought all the people together that allowed us to do what we've done today.
You've had this cell a while now. Are you happy how it's gone? Are you happy how the servicing's gone?
Yeah, I mean, I think like anything when it's new, we had a lot of heavy automation involved. Naturally there was going to be hurdles, but every single one we've overcame, and now we're so happy with how it's gone that we'd do it again.
And Tino, reshoring, it's always great to hear. Is there going to be any more?
Well, we had a growth of about 33% last year, and naturally we'd like the same this year. I'm not sure it will be quite as large. However, I think with our future, I think it's imperative that we do buy more ROMI machines to produce a wider variety of products here, because that for us is our future.
Neil, Suscombe Industries selected ROMI for this impressive cell. Why was that?
It was a number of reasons. First off, obviously being the quality of the machine, the build quality, the robustness and the repeatability of the performance of the machine, and then being able to pull the project together, involving all our suppliers, namely Genco, Icicle.
And with this turnkey project, did you have many challenges to overcome?
Yeah, obviously being a turnkey project, there is always challenges. It's doing the finer details, the putting it all together. Obviously using the automation system, putting the cell together, and then utilising the robots and coordinating them, working with the machine and producing the cycle time that the customer required.
And the customer seems happy, he may even buy more.
Yes, so he says. So it's very good for Suscombe to be able to keep talking to us, and obviously with the machines being that good, we can move forward with them with more machines.
And for the people watching this video, what is the cell actually doing?
Well, it's a very good cell, quite complicated. So what the machines are actually producing the star bases of the chairs, and then using the 6-axis Kawasaki robot, going into the machine, taking the part out, placing it into a jig, coming up from underneath the part, picking it up and then putting it upside down on a conveyor, inserting a metal ring, which then the part indexes along the conveyor. On the conveyor, they're cooling fans, which help shrink the material to keep the ring in place. When it gets to the end of the conveyor, A third robot will then pick up the part, take it to another jig, place it, pick up the 5 caster wheels, insert into the base of the chair, then pick that up and then put that onto another conveyor which then indexes out of the cell.
That's impressive. And in terms of the machines, you obviously sell machines. What is it technically that made you the right choice for this installation?
Obviously the machines themselves sell themselves because of the technical ability of the machines, but also being able to put the project together was a key part of Suscom and Tino and Tony's requirement, being able to coordinate everybody and produce the cell that they required.